Hi, sir. Takashi हळू Come बेटा, let's go back. Let's go back. अंदर से कैमरा है. अभी वो लाइट क्या है? वो लाइट नीचे ले. क्या कर रहे हो? हिला मत रे, हिला मत. काम बेटा, चलो 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 चलो.
In this book. They may not have seen the movie, but everyone knows the title of the film. And now to invite guest of honor, our chief guest, filmmaker who's
Hi. हाँ चलो.
Good day. It's been an incredible journey. How would you describe it, sir, as a filmmaker?
Well, I don't need to describe it, boy. I live it, so where's the question of describing it?
Okay.
But you can see the smile on the face even after a 35-year journey.
Right. So tell us something about the festival that's going to happen, the kind of films that we will get to see, your thoughts
You
on
see,
the same.
well, that is to Neville Tooley's credit because he's the one who's organized it. I've had no role to play except to come here this evening because he and his friends have put together this 1 week long festival, which is marvelous. I mean, he really has made the effort and got all these
Each generation needs to go back in history. We have a very big lacuna between the present generation's understanding of the great iconic historical moments of cinema. So it's important we do that, and we'll be doing that throughout the year.
Okay. Nasir sir, in the conversation inside, you said that you had never entertained any thoughts of failure as an actor.
Yeah.
So, was it the supreme self-confidence that you had even at that time when you started off?
Well, yeah, you could call it self-confidence, you could call it madness. You see, it all depends on how the whole story ends up, whether it's called this or whether it's called that. But I was perfectly convinced that this is what I was born to do. And so there was no point thinking about what will happen if I don't succeed.
So there was always this term of unconventional attached to you. Very happy with it, or how do you see it, sir?
Yeah, I don't think I have any choice about that. I suppose it was because of the fact that my career began in the different kind of cinema. It wasn't my doing. I was chosen for those movies. If I would have, might have preferred to become a popular kind of actor, that kind of working in the song and dance kind of movies, but that's not how it happened. So my being labelled unconventional was not my doing.
शाम से वैसे जिस तरीके से वैसे तुली ने इस एक इनिशिएटिव
जी।
शुरू किया है आपकी फिल्मों को दिखाने का, उसके लिए क्या कहना
ये तो इनिशिएटिव जो है आपने किया, मैंने नहीं किया, और इन्होंने जो किया है बहुत ही बड़ा काम किया है एक्चुअली. When you think of it, it's just wonderful what he's done.
आप शाम के बारे में और कोई क्वेश्चंस जेंटलमैन?
जुनून को ओपनिंग फिल्म चुनने की खास वजह है क्योंकि ये एक ट्रेलॉजी भी ऑप्शन में थी कि
Well, two things. एक तो है it's a grand film. It has a wonderful scope to show both, in terms of the work of different people in the film, and also different like cameraman's work and sound recordist work, composer's work, apart from the work of the actors and the director. So all that, and more importantly, because it was properly restored, it's beautifully restored film. If you see it, we when we made the film, we didn't have a print of this quality. What you will see now in the theatre is of a completely outstanding quality, and that's what was really the real. I mean, the decision was taken only largely because of that. We didn't start from the first film to the last film, because actually what
Ankur is now the closing film.
is the last film of the festival, which was actually my first film.
Any other questions?
शाम को कोई करीबी फिल्म जो आप आज शेयर करना चाहेंगे, आपको काफ़ी पसंद है?
हाँ जी,
कोई ऐसी करीबी फिल्म शाम दा की जो आपको काफ़ी पसंद है और आज आप बता
मुझे मेरी जो पहली फिल्म थी निशांत, तो शाम साहब की दूसरी फिल्म थी, और मेरे लिए वो ख़ास इसलिए है कि मेरी पहली फिल्म थी और उसमें जो जिस तरह का रोल मुझे दिया गया और जिस तरह से शाम साहब ने हिदायत दी, मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, और जज्बाती तौर पर वो साफ बात है कि वो क्यों मुझे इतनी अजीज़ है वो फिल्म.
Shams, sir, any plans to make next Bollywood film?
Means what?
कोई एक फिल्म जिस पे आप काम करना चाहेंगे, कोई ऐसे प्लान्स हैं बॉलीवुड की?
नहीं, आप लोग वो बॉलीवुड वर्ड इस्तेमाल क्यों कर रहे हैं मुझे समझ नहीं आता, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तानी फिल्म बनाते हैं तो हम भी तो बनाते हैं भाई, हिंदुस्तानी फिल्म बनाते हैं.
वो उसने ऐसी कोई फिल्म जिसमें दो भाई गुम हो जाते हैं, एक पुलिस वाला बन जाता है, एक डाकू, ऐसी फिल्म आप कब बनाएंगे?
उस किस्म की फिल्म तो नहीं बनाएंगे, वो तो दिलचस्पी नहीं है.
जंग आज़ादी की काफ़ी
जी,
चर्चा है, क्या
जी.
कुछ हो रहा है उसे?
वेल, अभी तो तैयार हो रही है फिल्म. I think we should be ready with the film in another 4 to 6 weeks time, and hopefully, but then of course you see it's very interesting. The government of Punjab is going to show it in only one cinema, 24 hours of the day, every day, and it's not going to be shown anywhere else.
मौजूदा दौर में कौन से फिल्म मेकर्स हैं जो जिनका काम आपको प्रभावित?
बहुत सारे हैं ना. एक ज़माने में ऐसा था कि यूज टू पिक देम अप, इनके एक दो फिल्म मेकर्स हैं, ऐसे तो कुछ नहीं. अभी तो यू हैव अ होल जनरेशन ऑफ वंडरफुल फिल्म मेकर्स, यंग फिल्म मेकर्स, एंड ईच डे देयर इज अ न्यू वन हु इज मेकिंग एन इंटरेस्टिंग फिल्म.
सर, हाल फिलहाल में आपने कोई फिल्में देखी हो जो
जी.
आपको काफ़ी पसंद आई
किससे?
हो? हाल फिलहाल में आपने कोई फिल्में देखी हो?
देखी हैं, काफ़ी देखी हैं. You see, there are wonderful filmmakers. Every time I talk about a filmmaker is already a generation older than the one that's coming after.
Nasir sir, these days we see a lot of Indian actors going west as well abroad. Any tips for them as someone who has been to the west and acted in movies?
Charge as much money as you can.
नसीर सर, जिस तरह का ओशियन अरमा ने इनिशिएटिव लिया है, शाम सर की सारी फिल्में लगाई जा रही है, दिखाई जा रही है, इसके लिए आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे उसके इनिशिएटिव पर?
मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि बड़ी अच्छी बात है. ये इनिशिएटिव काफ़ी पहले ही लिया जाना चाहिए था, लेकिन नेविल तुली जैसे हिम्मत वाला इंसान चाहिए था उसके लिए. बहुत खुशी है मुझे कि इतना बड़ा रिट्रोस्पेक्टिव शाम साहब की फिल्मों का हो रहा है.
Nasir sir, which one is your next indie project that we get to see?
At the moment, I am not doing any film. मैं ज़्यादातर theatre ही कर रहा हूँ.
I think what Smile Foundation is doing is a wonderful way to actually educate children and expose them to a lot of different cultures and also issues associated with children. As adults,